Are you a snacker? I sure am. And as a health and nutrition coach, I get a lot of women coming to me wanting to make some healthy choices for themselves, but they have to be easy. They say it's just so easy to grab a bag of chips. They want healthy snacks that are just as simple and tasty. So today on the blog, I have the ultimate guide to balanced and nourishing snacks for you. I'm including step-by-step plans, I'm including recipes, and it's really a master list of all the healthy, nourishing, quick snack ideas that you can take to the office, pack for a road trip, or just have on hand when you're feeling something, cravings, or you want something sweet in your tummy. And so this master list is going to be perfect to turn to whenever you're trying to reach your health goals, stay on track, but also enjoy some food. There's some delicious recipes inside. I can't wait for you to get started. So click on over to the blog. Please leave me a comment. I can't wait to hear what your favorite ones are. And if you have ideas to add to the list, be sure to add those as well. I can't wait to hear how you enjoy it, and be sure to let me know your favorite one.